Zarah the zebra's spectacular microscope adventurine. The heart of the African savannah. Zarah the zebra discovered something extraordinary, a magical microscope that had been left behind by a passing explorer. Zarah, known for her curiosity, couldn't wait to see what wonders lay hidden in the world around her. Zarah invited her wild friends Liam the lion, Ella the elephant, and Greg the giraffe to join her in exploring the microscope. They gathered around the fascinating device under the shade of an acacia tree. "Look at this," Zarah said, showing them the microscope. "I've heard that this can reveal amazing details that we can't see with our eyes alone." Liam the lion, usually more interested in adventures, was intrigued. "Let's find out what's so special about it," he roared excitedly. First, Zarah suggested they examine a blade of grass. Ella the elephant, with her gentle trunk, carefully picked a blade of grass and placed it on the microscope slide. Zarah adjusted the microscope and peered through the lens. "Wow!" Zarah exclaimed. "You can see the tiny veins and cells in the grass. It looks like a whole new world." Ella looked through the microscope and was amazed. "It's incredible. The grass looks like a complex network of tiny tubes and dots." Next, Greg the giraffe, with his long neck, used his height advantage to reach some colorful flowers. They placed a petal under the microscope. Zarah and her friends looked through and saw vibrant patterns and delicate details on the petals that were completely invisible from afar. "This is fascinating," Greg said. "The flowers have such intricate designs up close. It's like they're wearing tiny jewels." Liam, curious as always, suggested they look at some soil. Zarah gathered a small sample and placed it on the slide. When they looked through the microscope, they saw tiny creatures moving around, as well as various particles of minerals. "Look at all those little critters," Liam said. "I had no idea the soil was so full of life." The friends spent the day exploring different samples with the microscope, from tiny insects to bits of bark. They discovered a hidden world of textures and patterns that amazed them all. As the sun began to set, Zarah and her friends gathered for a reflection. "Today we learned so much about the tiny details of our world," Zarah said. "The microscope showed us how much more there is to see beyond what we can see with our eyes." Liam, Ella, and Greg all agreed. "This has been an incredible adventure," Liam roared. "The microscope revealed so many secrets of nature." Zarah's adventure with the microscope taught her and her friends the importance of curiosity and exploration. They realized that even the smallest things in nature held amazing secrets and that learning could uncover wonders they had never imagined. The end.